your skin is so important, right? And just taking care of your skin. And it also builds self-confidence.
I have some pretty strong beauty routines that are just like sanity savers.
Whether it's, skincare and pampering, or it's, alone time. I think your 20s really are your formative self-care years.
Getting into my 40s has just really been this eye-opening phase of now is the time to take care of yourself.
Right now, at the age of 32, I'm really investing in the type of products that I'm using.
Self-care isn't selfish. You can't pour from an empty cup. You need to take care of yourself first before you can take care of other people.